Hello everyone. Today, we're presenting the installation video for Dazuma's Moonlight Modern Waterproof Outdoor LED Lawn Light. The package includes 1 screw accessory pack, screws and screw anchors. 1 Dazuma Moonlight Modern Waterproof Outdoor LED Lawn Light. Step 1. Remove the 4 fixing screws from the base section and store them properly. Step 2. Remove the metal cross-mounting plate inside the base. Step 3. Place the metal cross-mounting plate at the intended installation location. Then mark the positions and drill the holes. Step 4. Install the screw anchors from the screw holes pack into the 4 holes. Step 5. Place the metal cross-mounting plate in position. Then install the 4 screws from the screw accessory pack into the screw anchors. Step 6. Place the product in position, aligning the holes on the product base with the holes on the metal cross-mounting plate. Step 7. Reinstall the 4 fixing screws at the bottom of the product that were removed in Step 1. Step 8. Plug the product's power plug into your own power strip. Step 9. Press the product's power switch. The product installation is now complete. Dazuma, your dedicated partner in professional lighting.